In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in QuickBooks to automate some of your accounting tasks efficiently. This is a fantastic way to streamline your bookkeeping, save time, and reduce manual data entry errors. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to QuickBooks by visiting QuickBooks' homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Rules section. You can find this within the banking menu. This is where all of your existing rules are housed and where you'll be able to create your new ones. Now, let's create a new rule. Go ahead and click on the button labeled New Rule. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to define specific criteria that will automatically be applied to your transactions, keeping your accounts organized without the hassle of manual categorization. The first thing you'll want to do is name your rule. When you click on What do you want to call this rule, you'll be able to enter a name that clearly describes what this rule will do. A descriptive name helps keep everything organized, especially if you end up with quite a few rules in the future. Next, determine the types of transactions this rule should apply to. When you click on Apply this to transactions that are, you'll have the option to specify whether the rule should be for money coming in, going out, or both. This will ensure the rule only affects the correct transactions, effectively sorting them as needed. Once you've defined the type of transactions, add a condition by clicking on plus Add a Condition. Here you can set up specific criteria that will trigger the rule. QuickBooks allows for a range of filters, such as the payee, amount, or any specific text in the memo field. Take a moment to think about what you'd like to filter by. You can even add multiple conditions to get as specific as you need. After you've defined your conditions, it's time to save your new rule. Simply click on Save, and your rule should immediately become active. If everything is set up correctly, QuickBooks will start applying this rule to any applicable transactions, automatically categorizing them based on the criteria you've set. And that's it! You've successfully created a rule in QuickBooks that will help you manage your financial data more effectively. Rules are a great way to minimize repetitive tasks and ensure consistency in your bookkeeping. You'll find that once you get into the habit of using them, your day-to-day accounting becomes much smoother and far less time-consuming. Be sure to revisit your rules periodically and make adjustments as necessary to keep everything aligned with your current needs. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!